Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we have the 2020 Ford Edge ST. I absolutely love these cars. They are a ton of fun. Heated seats in the rear. It's awfully windy, so I'm going to make the outside pretty short. You got nav, Sirius XM, heated steering wheel, heated seats, ventilated seats. I mean, just everything you would ever need. Parking assist, perpendicular park. Pretty cool. Panoramic roof. Without further ado, put it into sport mode and go for a drive. Honestly, these things are so much fun to drive. I mean, every time I get the chance to drive one, I will. They are just that much fun. 335 horsepower from a twin-turbo V6. Yeah, it's quick enough, that's for sure. Ride is actually great. I mean, it's sporty, so it's a little bit firmer than, let's say, a luxury SUV, but I prefer it that way, and it doesn't beat you up either. We just had to do a customer delivery. I decided to drive this just so I could get used to it. I was super comfortable. These seats were great. Even the salesperson that was riding with me said, "Oh wow, these are comfortable." It's a nice daily driver sports SUV. I will say, right off the bat, it's windy today. 20-mile-an-hour gusts, so wind noise is going to be a little bit, should I say, amplified. Did you also have paddle shifters? I will say all the power's down low. It's not, I mean, there is a lot of pull up top, but a lot of the torque is down low. I completely spaced out. Wow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.